When I arrived at the airport, Mr. Speaker, there were 2 Airbuses, Lufthansa and Ethiopian Airlines. There were 4 Boeing 777 that were on the ground at Mombasa International Airport. Our country is on the rebound. Members of this Senate, we should be on the front in advocating positive change to the image of the conglomerate called the Republic of Kenya. I support.
Thank you, Dr. Bonny. Senator Siengo Karunda Beth.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Sir, I stand to support this climate change amendment bill. Mr. Speaker, this bill is giving us a chance to combat desertification. It is giving us a chance to tackle land degradation. We know the effects of climate change as extreme droughts, and we know as Africa and Kenyans, we are recipients of what started happening elsewhere. And for this reason, that's why carbon credit has not been of benefit or much benefit to Africans and specifically to Kenyans. We know that carbon credit and carbon market that benefits others who are still the cause of the problem, and Kenyans have not been benefiting because carbon credit became, those who are fighting climate change became a $1 billion industry because of what is happening in the carbon market, yet our people are not benefiting. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would say this bill is giving us a chance also to advocate for use of green energy, which becomes a solution to some of the problems created by climate change. I would say, Mr. Speaker, involvement of youth, which is mentioned and also included in this bill, gives us a hope that our youth will be responsible in handling and taking care of our environment. Mr. Speaker, sir, at this point, for the first time, and maybe the only time, let me take this opportunity to thank the President of the Republic of Kenya for leading from the front in the matters of climate change. This is encouraging. I hope all of us will follow suit and ensure that we mitigate on climate change, on the effects of climate change, participating in using green energy, participating in planting trees, participating in really tackling effects of climate change. I support this bill, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I want to urge my colleagues here that when it is matters concerning this nation, we speak in one voice and move forward together. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I support.
Actually, if Senator Beth and his question for more time, I could have ended 1 minute. But now that you have no interest, let us now hear from Senator Sigei Wakiri.
I